difficulty with this particular Dreambox lesson. I'm going to show you a way that I might work through this problem. I have to try and find two numbers that equal 200. I'm going to think about this like a part whole mat. I'm going to start with the easy one first. I know 200 plus 0 equals 200. That's the easy one. Now I'm going to show you how I can use this model to help me solve for another one. I see that I'm trying to make 200. I'm going to pick one of these numbers for my first part. What should I pick? How about I choose 150? If 150 is one of the parts, the other part is whatever is left from the 200. So I could subtract 200 minus 150. So 200 is right here. I'm going to subtract 100, and now I've got to take 50 out, which means I need to use 10 tens instead of a hundreds frame and take out 5 tens from my 50. This is what I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 200 minus 150 equals 50. So what does that mean for my answer? Well, it means if I chose 150 as one part, there's only 50 left needed to make my 200. So I click the 50. Let's try another one together. Let's say I'm still trying to make 200 because that's my lesson today. Let's say I choose 90. Now I have 200 minus 90. What's left for the other part? Again, I might draw a picture and make 200, 100, 200, and then I'm going to subtract 90, which means I need to change one of my hundreds flat. Whoops, I'll put it down here at the bottom and get 10 tens instead. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now I can take out 90 of those and see what's left for the other part. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is the only one left. If you need help, plus the hundreds flat. So I have 110 left. So the other part would be 110. Boys and girls, I'm going to click 110. Oh, and I forgot to click my 90. There it is. Those two go together. Can you find another match? I can start to see that 110 is very close to 120. Select a number. So I'm going to select 120. That means this number had to change by 10. I added 10 here and got 120. So I'm going to take away 10. So 80 must be the match. You can use what you've already done over here to help find new answers or new pairs that make 200. I want you to go back to this lesson, and I want you to try to find the pairs that make 200. Be sure to use paper and pencil to help you persevere through the lesson.